Oh, great. A bunch of boring people I don't know. Ugh! Excuse me? Oh! Ah! Gross!
What? What's wrong?
Look!
Nothing some extra-strength tape won't solve.
Oh, seriously? I can't move!
That's the point.
You're not the boss of me! Ha! What did he say?
Oh, where are we? What?
Cozy in here, right?
Oh!
What's with that smirk? Time to play. This is gonna be so much fun. Ready, set, flower. Such a pretty challenge.
Huh? What does he mean? Ah, let's turn this dirt into something. In you go, little guy. Can't forget the water. Every living thing needs it. Now watch.
Phew.
Patience is the name of the game. Oh, also painful and anxiety-inducing. Oh boy, here we go. So close. Ooh, yes! It's time, it's time! Look, isn't it beautiful?
You grew that thing? We'll see about that. Oh. What happened?
I don't know. Ooh, so beautiful.
Ha! It's gone again! What? I don't get it. Just take it.
Oh, be careful. It's such a delicate little thing. Oh no!
What?
Well, its time has come. It used to be so beautiful. Huh? Wait, I know what to do. Watch very closely. Red roses, anyone? I got you covered. They just need a little extra help. They'll look like flowers in no time. You've gotta have some leaves. Green will bring these things to life. See? My own little flower garden.
Wow! That's incredible!
Here you go.
How did you come up with that? All from this little thing? I can work with it. But I'm taking a different approach, with some similar elements. I'm all about a little 3D action. Know what I mean? And when you add some color, it takes on a whole new life. Feeling green with envy yet? Now you know how to make it yourself. Can you believe these used to be shells? Epic!
Oh my! Beautiful!
Well, not too shabby.
And mine?
They're both nice. It's a tie.
I'll take it.
Look at this place. Oh, and I thought toilet bowls were big. Huh? I love this place. Yeah, baby!
What an odd little insect. He thinks he's in outer space.
What? It was all a dream? What about the moon?
Oh, poor guy. That's it. Off to space I go.
Bye!
It's a big universe out there. It must be explored. Let's do this. Here we go. Woo!
Be safe out there!
This is incredible. I must capture it. Inspiration is a go. And I need all the cosmic colors. Nice. Red, please. Now for the creative part. Let's mix it up. What color do you think these'll make? Wow! How gorgeous is all this? But I'm just getting started. Perfect shapes. Like circles. If you put them on a black background, things get crazy cosmic. And to make things extra real, ta-da! We're in outer space now. All it's missing are some Martians. But that would be crazy. What do you think? Uh-oh! Ooh! Whew. I'm back.
Wow! Show me!
Pretty cool, huh? Outer space is where it's at.
You're right! I'm going in! Please, please, please!
Hey! Open your eyes!
What? Oh, what do I do with these? A good idea strikes again! And it's all about some color. Lots of delicious bright colors. Let's roll! Ooh, check it out! Stamp of approval? One and done! Ooh! And to really make everything pop, some big, beautiful stars. And you, duh! Pretty cool! Can you believe this? Look!
Oh, wow! Is that me?
Yeah, my hero.
Let's do it!
Where'd they go? Look!
Huh? You did these just for me? It's like I'm back up there!
Aw, we did it! Are you seeing this?
Time to go for a spin!
Oh, yeah?
Buckle up!
Ha! I'm nervous.
I'm excited!
It's going pretty fast!
Ha! Magic! I love magic! Potions are my middle name! See this?
So what?
Rude.
I have an idea. This roach is hungry. Open sesame! It's time to get feastin'! Waha! Don't mind if I do. This looks tasty. It's like my birthday over here. Oh, pardon me. Here you go.
Oh, and then he said to me, "Huh? My ingredients! All I have are empty jars! What did you do? I'm gonna take care of you for good! Understand?"
Huh? Oh no, not the shoe! Roaches assemble!
Ah! Roach rain!
Oh, make it stop!
Okay, much better. Time to collect some of these bad boys. Gotcha! Was so gross.
Let him go, please.
Seriously? Okay, if you insist. See ya!
That's more like it.
Wait! I wish I could bottle up lots of things, but maybe I can without taking away anything's freedom. Just wait, you'll see what I mean. Let's open this up and start working on the inside. A little bit of gel goes a long way, but this stuff's a little too clear. Enter glitter! Looking better already, and very satisfying. But this is its true purpose, to bring these fish to life. Ready, set, scratch! See him in there? So cool! Ever see anything like it? Well, what do you think?
Oh, wow! Amazing! But I can do better. Just watch the magic, baby. Some careful lines are key. Nice and slow, okay? Very nice, very nice. And now we connect them. The grid makes it much easier. The perfect outline. But we still should color it in. Then we'll cut it out, don't worry. See? It's folding time. See why all those lines matter? It turns into this. Almost forgot. Flying cockroach coming through. It's actually kinda cute. Don't you think? Hey, come back here. That was close.
Jeez.
Nice save!
What do you think?
Huh?
That sparkly thing's pretty cool. And so is that jar roach. Well done, friends.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
We did it!
Isn't this challenge fun?
Bestest ever!
Will you get up? I said stop that chatter.
Ow, ow, ow!
No manners.
Jeez.
Still wanna have some fun? Where will it stop? Well, cover your eyes, will ya?
Okay, okay.
Okay, open!
Yarn? For what?
A big old marker?
Huh?
Let me think. Wait, that's just it.
Huh? Tell me everything. Of course! Ready to see some real creativity? All hands on deck! No pun intended. But don't worry, I'll turn it into something great. Something a bit toothier. But not too scary, okay? Almost done. Just a few more details. Looking good, looking good. But you know what it's missing? Color, of course. These markers are coming in handy. And I did pretty good. Round of applause, please. You like?
My goodness! That has me thinking. This yarn is actually quite useful. In you go. Yep, all the way through. I've got big plans for this stuff. It's gonna take this dino to the next level. Nothing like a bit of texture to bring things to life. Ooh, this one's a bit tricky. Phew. Ta-da! I did it! Isn't he adorable? Rawr, baby!
Really awesome! What do you think?
This is a tough one.
Well…
Okay. I say they both win.
Really?
Yep.